Hey, what's up, fam? Welcome to the channel, Dash Master. I'm Anthony here, dropping that knowledge, tips, and trick, and my own personal experience to you all, newcomers or OGs, whatever. Just dropping my experience to y'all on Doordash, Uber Eats, food delivery. Hey, if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That just lets YouTube know that I'm sharing some good stuff to you all and you're having fun. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will get notified when your boy posts a new video every time. Hey guys, what's up y'all? It is Sunday. As you can see, it is today. Got another sunny day. What? Another sunny day? What? Man, what you talking about, man? But just want to rap to you all for a minute. What y'all doing today on this Sunday day, man? Are y'all out there getting the grind on? Did you start early, or you still in bed? You just rolling over, or you gonna get out there and grind today? You gonna chill out, watch some sports, play some video games, whatever your likings, what you do on your weekend. But like I said, man, whatever you do, boy, just enjoy the fruits of your labor. For real, if you hadn't watched that video on my last video, enjoy fruits of your labor. Check that out, man. It's pretty fun. Had some fun doing that video. But like I said, it is Sunday, man. It's around about, I started my dashing about 8:30 this morning. Got a few Doordash delivery. One was $3.50, something like that. I'll post that right there. But you know, it's $3.50 going 10 miles. As Pedro say, Kobe. Not taking that one. Then another one popped up, $13.50. 2 items going 21 miles or 17 miles, something like that. I'll post that screenshot right there if I don't forget. But man, that is Kobe all day. Not going all the way out there for that. 2 items, $13.50, 21 something miles. No, I'm not doing that, man. That's like an hour drive from where I'm at. Like an hour drive. No, not for $13. Can't do that one. But like I said, we got the apps on. We're gonna see who's gonna produce the most today. I got Uber Eats on. I got Doordash on. Man, it's funny. I haven't got anything. I mean, I know Grubhub. I like going up for Grubhub, but in my market, I guess it's not. You know, everybody's full of it. You know how they say, we'll let you know when an opportunity comes open. So I hadn't seen one yet. I've been signed up for Grubhub. Hopefully I can get in on Grubhub. Maybe start doing some Grubhub stuff too. But it is what it is right now. I'm doing Doordash and Uber Eats, and I've been, it's paying off pretty good. I'm enjoying it. But like I said, it is Sunday. Gonna start off today. I didn't actually work last night, man. When I dropped off yesterday, Saturday evening, man, when I got done, man, I was done, bruh. I was done. Went home and ate and got some food in me. After I ate lunch, and man, I was pretty much done, man. So hopefully that light, I can talk to y'all better, a little bit lighter with that lighting on this car. Sun's out, like I said, it's beautiful today. So we're gonna see what we can catch up some orders, man, and see if people are hungry. If they are hungry today, like I said, man, we can make some money this morning. Hopefully I'll catch some this breakfast and catch some dinner rush things, and see how we're gonna go, what the app's gonna take me to different areas in my location. But we'll see what's happening, man. You know, what y'all up to today, man. Hey, thank you for watching the video all the way through. If you watched it already through, I hope you enjoy the scenery, because I'm going to be shooting some scenery stuff back and forth, talking to you, rapping to you, shooting some scenery, some beautiful sceneries and things like that I come across as I'm dashing for you to enjoy and you to look at and see what's up. So, like I said, today is Sunday. I did try to watch a little bit of the content creators last night. I watched a little bit of Slavic's live channel where he was giving away $25 gas gift cards and things like that. You know, I watched Pedro a little bit. You know, I always catch Pedro things, and then check out his channel a little bit. You know, if you haven't subscribed to those folks' channels, man, I highly recommend, because you know, they're good, they're real. Everybody likes them. I like them. You know, everybody has their own opinion, disagreeing about certain people. You know, a lot of those channels, they be dropping that knowledge, man. It's just real stuff. You know, and just like me, man. I'm just real. I'm just like you. I'm not trying to compete with nobody. This is my own experience. This is your experience. You just want to share and drop your knowledge in this channel, whatever. Hey, more welcome to it. You know, you have your own opinions about stuff. I have my own opinion about stuff. Other people have their own opinion about things too. But like I said, at the end of the day, we all come together and make it happen. So that's what's up. So so anyway, we're gonna see how this day goes, man. Don't forget to watch the video all the way through, because I may be showing you some good sceneries, dropping that knowledge on you guys, showing you my view, some ride-alongs and things like that, just so you enjoy the video. So if you just watch it all the way through, bro. So we're gonna make it happen, see what's going on today on Sunday. It is exactly 8:55 in the morning, and we're gonna see what we're doing. Like I said, bro, you gotta have your Java, man. If you don't have your Java, what are you doing, man? You gotta get the Java and get your snacks. I'm getting ready to go re-up on my snacks myself, because I got to have some energy, man, when I'm out here riding. You know, get your breakfast going on, go get your sausage, whatever you like to eat. You know, snack on in your rides, whatever. While you're doing your dashing, go get it, bro. Get your energy, get that blood flowing. You know, if you have to get out and walk a little bit, run a little bit, go to the gym for a minute, do whatever you got to do to get that blood flowing, so you can get motivated to get out here and get this money. That's what I'm saying. Hey guys, we'll see you in a shortly. Peace. Hey guys, we just picked up our first order. Pretty decent. From Hardee's. It was already ready. And by the pickup time, and like I said, we're getting ready to go drop this off. It was for $6.25. And our customer just maybe a few minutes away from here. So we're gonna go drop that off, and I'll post a screenshot on that if I don't forget. Peace. Alright gang, I just dropped off that order from Hardee's. Got a nice little tip there. I'll post that right there. We're getting ready to go pick up a McDonald's order that we just picked up. Hopefully I got a screenshot for that as well. And then we'll keep it moving. Alright, we just picked up that McDonald's order. We're getting ready to go drop that off to the customer. And like I said, had to get my goodies. And then I had to get my Java. Hey, that's what's up, man. Gotta keep it motivation. Gotta get that blood flowing, get your breakfast in, whatever you gotta do. Hey, let's go drop this off to a customer. Make them happy this morning. Peace. Okay, we just dropped off that order from McDonald's. Nice little tip there. Little tip. We just got another shop at CBS order. Try to post that screenshot right there. So we heading out to do some shopping, and we're gonna go from there, guys. Let's go get it. All right, baby, we just finished that shopping for our customer, CVS. We're getting ready to go drop this off to her so she can get on with her day. and I can get on with mine. Peace. We'll see y'all shortly. What up, people? Just dropped off that order for CVS for $9. She did give me a two. She gave me a $2 tip, but at least she tipped. As long as you tipping, I ain't tripping. So, hey, we gotta do what we gotta do. We just got another order for Krispy Kreme. We're getting ready to go pick that up, and let's keep it moving. See what we get on that one. Peace. Man, I just picked up that order for Krispy Kreme. I got it here. Man, come on, man. I was just gonna look at y'all customers. The customers, please leave I don't know why they leave long messages to where they at. I'll give you a screenshot of that. Come on, just make it easy for the driver. Please just make it easy for the driver. Look at that message. Tell me what you think. Share your comments down below. Have you ever experienced some stuff like that, or you get messages like that they're telling you where to drop the stuff off or where their house is? You got like 20 different rights and turns and left. Come on, share your comments down below. I just got this customer. Just make it simple. Make it simple for the driver. Please, we just need to know your house number, what house it is, what number it is, and so forth and so forth. We don't need a 10-page direction to where to drop it off at. But all right, you guys just dropped off that crazy order from Krispy Kreme. The customer left a long message to where they at, and it was just simple, man. It's a Ford Expedition in the driveway. Simple. Found it, delivered it, dropped it off, counted. That's why I say, man, y'all, these customers, they try to write these messages to how to drop things off, and it just goes on and on and on and on. And the only thing the driver needs is the number of your house or whatever, some other kind of, if it's off the roll or whatever. But it's just make it simple for the driver, man. We don't need to, and then customers write these long messages like that, and then they holler that they don't follow directions. The drivers didn't follow the direction. But then you got customers writing directions like that, and they don't even hardly know what they're talking about. It makes confusion. It makes it hard on the driver. So customers, please just simplify your message, whatever you want the driver to do. Just simple as that. Simple as that. But see, they give me a tip on it, on that, and then of course we had a Doordash drop another order on me for us, $2.50 order, and you know what that went, as Pedro say. Kobe, not taking that orders like that, man. But hey, it's just me. You might take it, somebody else will take it. I don't know, but I'm not driving like for no $2.50. Just not me. Ain't happening. Hey gang, I just dropped off that stack order to my customers. Got a nice little tip on that. One of them was for $4, and the last one was $5. So I posted a screenshot on that. Hey, let's go get it. We still popping. It is 11:30. Almost about ready to go into lunchtime. So we'll see how it goes from there. If we continue on that, we'll talk to you guys later. What up, people? Just got a pickup for Bojangles. Got a stack order. So we're going now. And then we also got a Panera bread that we're going to pick up. And, we're going to snatch that up. So I got my Bojangles order. And now I'm going to pick up my customers at Panera Bread. Here we at Panera Breads. We're getting ready to go get that order right now. So let's go get it. Yes, sir. All right, you guys, we got that picked up for Mariah, Panera Bread. That was a $7.50 order. So we're gonna drop that off to our customer, make them happy, 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 because I know they're hungry, hungry. Some people just dropped off their order at Zaxby's. She actually ordered Bojangles, but she worked at Zaxby's, so she actually said she was just tired of that chicken. So that's what's up, man. But we got a $3 tip on that one. So let's go drop off his next one. Talk to you guys later. Hey, just dropped off that order for Mariah over here at the wine vineyards, top of the mountain. Hey, what up, fam? I think I'm gonna call it a day, man. It is 2:25, almost 2:30. Ran into breakfast shift this morning and a little bit of the lunch shift rush. Not too bad. But right now I'm just gonna sit down and go grab some lunch. Did make a little bit of money today. That put me at $69.50, something like that this morning. Didn't have a whole lot of orders from Uber Eats this morning. I did, but it just, it was just catching me when I was in between Dash. So I really couldn't accept those orders, But, yeah, man, we're going to try it again this afternoon. Hopefully things will pick up this afternoon to where we can probably make a little bit more money this afternoon. So, yeah, I'm just going to call it a day. And we're going to see how this afternoon does. Hey, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. If you haven't hit that, go ahead and hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever your boy posts a new video dropping that knowledge on some tips, tricks, my experience, other folks' experience, things like that in this gig economy as we smashing and dashing every day, guys. Hey, thank you for watching the video all the way. I do thank you very much. I can't grow without you. I can't grow without your knowledge, so I do appreciate it very much. Thank you. We'll see you shortly.